So I'm going to walk you through how to make these Traeger smoked lamb loin chops. They're really easy to make, and it all starts with 12 ounces of lamb chops. They're about 6 ounces a piece, and all you need to do is pat them dry and then coat them with some olive oil and your favorite seasoning blend. You could use Italian seasoning. Here I'm using lamb Greek style seasoning. So you just rub that in, and then they're actually ready to go right on the Traeger grill. So preheat your pellet grill or pit boss or whatever you're using to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. And then once they're all seasoned up, you go ahead and you put the lamb chops directly on the Traeger, and they smoke for about 45 minutes until the internal temperature reaches about 135 degrees for rare. You want them to come up to about 140 by the time they're done resting, but that's how long we smoked these for. So again, that's at 225, and we took them off about 135 degrees Fahrenheit. That was the internal temperature. And these are one of my favorite cuts of lamb to smoke on the pellet grill because they're so meaty and delicious inside. But I also have smoked leg of lamb and smoked lamb rack that you can find at Sip Bite to Go. Till next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!